Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you got your first product and you want to start selling on eBay? Well, today I'm here to show you exactly how to post your items to eBay. Come on, let's go. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this remote that I picked up the other day. Just haven't posted it yet, fell in my death pile over here, but I'm going to show you how to post your listings on eBay. Usually, if you have remotes and you're selling them, usually there is a number down here, but this one doesn't have any numbers on the front or the back, so I'm going to have to look on the inside. So on the inside, there is some numbers in here. You guys probably can't see them, but they're on the inside in a sticker. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to the computer, and we are going to type in the name and the model number. And here it is on the top because I was just looking for it. So it'll bring you up to a page that has all the listings of this one remote. There might be some others mushed in with it, but make sure that when you go list it, it's exactly like yours. So as you can see on my screen, there is a couple, $7.99, $19.95, $7.99. Okay, so there is some up here. And how many are there? So there are 39 that are listed. Let's go to the sold. We'll go up here to advanced, click on that. And while we're waiting for it to load up, so it'll bring you up to this advanced search. In this advanced search, you can find all different things. But right now, what I want to find is how many of these sold. So I'll go down here to the sold, click on that, and then press search. And as you can see, there are 5 sold. That's okay. That's not a good STR rate, as everybody talks about on eBay, that you need to make sure the sell-through rate is good. I like to have products on for right now. Since I am a beginner, I do have good products, but there are some that I don't have very good products. I'm pretty sure they'll sell, though. I have the faith. That's all you got to do is have faith. Okay, so now we'll go to the sold, and 5 of them sold. So it was $7.55. This one's brand new, $16.99. This one does look brand new, but it doesn't have the paper and the directions and all that good stuff, so I'm not going to say it's brand new. Okay, so now what I do is I go over here to who was selling it, and I look at their numbers here because that shows me that when they go to list their products, there's going to be all their item specifics is going to be filled out better. So I pick somebody who has a high rating. See, this is a top rated plus seller. This is a top rated plus seller. So there's a couple. So I think I'll do with this guy. And then I'm going to come down here to sell one like this because mine's like his. So this makes it faster for me as well. So I don't have to do all the item specifics and put the title in and do all that. You can, not saying you can't. Everybody does it differently, but you can do it all by yourself to make sure all that is filled out the way you want it. But I just like doing it this way. Everybody has a different way of posting. But I'm just giving you a guideline on how I do it. And you can look at my video and say, hey, I could do that too. You might learn something, or I might learn something from you. Okay, so now that we're here on the complete my listings, I'm going to go get my pictures. They are over here. And I'm just going to grab them and drop them right there. I do have another video where I do take pictures, and I'll show you how to take pictures of different things. Let me know if you enjoy these videos. So now that we have the photos up, let's make sure they're in the correct order. I don't want this to be the first picture showing. So we're going to move this bad boy over here, and we're going to have the remote control. Then we're going to come down here. It's genuine. Yep. It tested and it's worked. So that's exactly what I need. I'm going to copy that. We're going to go down to the bottom. My store categories, I have them all categorized, as you would say. But we're going to go down to electronics. We're going to go to electronics, and we're going to put it in electronics. I could make one that has remotes because I have a lot of remotes over here for right now. But for now, we're just going to keep it this way. See, everything's filled in from the guy already, so I do not have to do that. UPC, the brand, he didn't fill any of this out. I'll probably come back later and fill all this out. But for right now, it is good the way it is. We're going to go for used because it is used. So now that we're here with the condition description, now if there was like a button missing, scratches, marks, any sort of something like that on your item, this is where you would put it. So this is in perfect condition. So I will put that in my description. Perfect condition. So then we'll scroll down. Now for the regular description, what I usually do is just take the title and paste it down here. It works if you want to put more in there. Like I said, it's your page. You could do whatever you want, but I want to list it, get it out there so people can see it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back into the see sold listings over here so we could see what had sold in the last 30 days. And it looks like this one had sold for $874 plus $549 shipping. So I think what we're going to do is we are going to combine the two and we're going to give them free shipping. So for the price, we'll do $14.50. And that's including the shipping. I will cover the shipping. So I think that's a great deal. Then we'll go down. You also could do your scheduled listing, but I just want to get this up and running right now because for me, I like to post at least 5 things a day. So you could schedule it. If I did my 5 today, I could schedule this for tomorrow so I don't have to worry tomorrow to do my listings again. But totally, it's up to you again. So it's getting free shipping and scroll down. Now I'm going to do this promoted listings. Again, we're going to do it for 2%. And I think in a video I have showed before, I show you that my listings, I don't know if it was just me because I'm on my computer, but it showed me first or 5th. So it just depends. So we're going to do 2%, going to go down, and we are going to list. And congratulations, you just listed your first item on eBay. How'd that make you feel? Now go list away. As always, thanks for coming and joining my tutorial today. I hope it helped you. To tell you the truth, I'm still new at eBay. Have only been doing this for about 3 months. I'm learning every single day. So I'm doing these tutorials to help you, like other people helped me. You could go watch anybody you want to, but thank you for choosing to watch my video. I do appreciate you. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. What else do you want to learn? Let's learn, grow our eBay businesses together. Thanks again. Until next time. Bye.